Today I'm going to replace the old spark plugs, which are not old, they're actually new. They are iridium NGK 9, and those here that I'm putting on the car is NGK 5. I'm going to show you the difference really quick, but the 5 ones are made out of copper and some other materials that keeps it cooler and it runs cooler, so the spark is going to be a little different than this one. And as you see, this is the old one, so you can see the tip of it is very thin. So this is the one I have now, and these ones here you actually don't gap them because you break it. So the new ones, those are here, so you see the tip is way thicker. I don't know if it's gonna focus on both, but you can see the difference in here, and there are differences on the material that this is made out of. Yeah, so I am going to gap them and I'm going to replace the ones I have in the car. They're gapped at 25.25, or there's a 0.025. These new ones, they came gapped at I think 0.30. Yeah, oh, way more, 34. So I'm gonna gap them around 0.28. I've seen people saying that they gap at 0.22. I have a friend saying that he has a lot of blow by and stuff, so he gaps a little larger, which is, he also said is ridiculous, but it works. So I'm gonna do 0.28 and then we're gonna go from there. And why? I don't know how much I show on my videos, but the car reaches 4,000 RPM and then it cuts off. I mean, I don't know, it's weird. It kinda, I can go further. It kinda cuts off and runs reach, and I don't know if it's running lean. It sounds like it goes lean because on the AFR, but then all of a sudden it doesn't go. So I mean, I don't know what the deal is. My fuel also was maxing at 90%, which is no good. So I got new injectors. Injectors are not here for now. We're going to replace those here, see if the engine running a little cooler is going to do anything good. So we're going to gap this together and we're going to replace the ones in the engine. So this is the deal here. You get your spark plug, you have a tool like this. There is a tool for you to gap, so if you break your spark plug, it's not, don't blame me. So this is what I'm doing. People usually get shelves and stuff and just hit it. So you just knock a little bit. It's very sensitive. Didn't do anything. Go back in there. Hit it again. Yeah, it's around 33. Still. There you go. And then you keep doing this until you reach what you need. There you go. 28. Check it out. Even me, I can't quite see what the number is in here, but it's 25. If you count the bottom part, 25, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, we go in here. So this one, I need to do the same thing on the other 5. Alright, they're all gapped. It's around 28, but they're all the same. So you have 6. My son is playing outside. I saved the boxes so I can put those ones in the boxes since they are new, and I don't want to throw them away. This is very useful. It's a $2 tool that's gonna help you gap the rings. I of course have 2. I didn't want to risk not have it when I got home. So let's go to work. I'm gonna use a 11mm. Take all those bolts out of here. Pop out all the coils out of the car, and then we're going to replace the plugs. So now they're all out. I'm going to take with a magnet, and you can see here it's running extremely rich, which is normal. normal-ish. I don't want to run lean yet, but yes, there's a lot of gas, but everything is here, so I don't need to worry about something broke on my pistons or something. Yeah, they pretty much look all the same. I'm gonna put on the floor, we're gonna examine it later, but yeah, so I'm trying to make this more efficient, running cooler. And yeah, so now what we need to do is just drop the new ones. So one thing, when you drop them there, you need to be sure that you try not to drop all the way so you don't crack them or anything like that. So just try to carefully put all the way down. There you go. Okay, so now what we do is we put up there. I'm gonna do this one, and then we're gonna go fast forward, but it is tight, hand tight. Now I'm gonna put the wrench, and I'm gonna tie it until it stops. See, I can't go any further, and I'm gonna tie it a little more, and that's it. You don't want to tie it too much, because otherwise you screw the block, and then you gotta take the head out of here, take to the shop, get another thread in there, and so on. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So replace. Let's run the car. Just see if everything goes fine. Dang. Perfect. So general rule for what we just did is the boost increases, the gap decreases. So the problem is you don't want to decrease the gap too much because it's not going to run smooth on idle. And so I think the rule of thumb is between, I think it's 28 and 32 thousandths is if you run to 15 pounds of boost. After that you can decrease a little more, get the gap smaller, but for us 28 is good. And if the misfire doesn't go away, the ice cream truck is there. My son is get ready. Did you, the ice cream's there? Go there, stop the guy. Go, 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 go. Okay. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.